This video takes you inside a modern soft drink factory, where millions of beverages are produced every single day using advanced machines and strict quality systems. From the moment raw materials arrive at the facility, every step is carefully controlled to ensure safety, consistency, and speed. The process begins with water treatment. Large factories never use raw water directly. Instead, water goes through multiple filtration stages. These include sand filters, carbon filters, and reverse osmosis systems. Each stage removes impurities, odors, and unwanted minerals. By the end of this process, the water is clean, balanced, and ready for production. Next comes ingredient preparation. Sugar, flavor concentrates, and other approved ingredients are measured with extreme accuracy. Automated systems control the exact quantity of each ingredient. This ensures that every drink tastes the same, no matter when or where it is produced. Large mixing tanks combine these ingredients under controlled temperature conditions. Once the liquid mixture is ready, it moves toward the filling section. This is one of the fastest areas inside the factory. Empty containers travel on conveyor belts at high speed. Before filling, each container is cleaned using pressurized air or sterilized water. This step removes dust and any possible contamination. Filling machines operate with precision. The liquid is poured into containers within milliseconds. Sensors check fill levels to make sure no container is underfilled or overfilled. Immediately after filling, sealing machines close the containers tightly to protect the product. After sealing, labeling machines apply brand labels at high speed. These machines can label thousands of units per hour without stopping. Quality control cameras scan each product to check alignment, seal quality, and label accuracy. Any defective product is automatically removed. Packaging is the final stage. Products are grouped, wrapped, and packed into cartons using robotic arms. These cartons are stacked on pallets and moved to storage areas. From here, they are shipped to distribution centers and stores around the world. This entire process is designed for efficiency, safety, and consistency. Modern factories rely heavily on automation to meet global demand while maintaining strict quality standards.